Hello and welcome to this simulation. Today I did a model of the oblique impact test of the aluminium rod to the ceramic or silicon carbide target. You can see here this is the impact, and let's me to check the damage for the ceramic. For instance, see, this is the damage which has happened during the analysis. See the damage. Or plastic strain, and let me just replace the ceramic now. See, this is the ceramic damage, ductile damage, and we can use view ODB mirror pattern to watch it in the whole view, because we use an axisymmetric model, and you can see the damage here. And the pressure, and now the Johnson-Holmquist damage for the aluminium here. And let me to show you another simulation which I did again. Okay, see that? The plastic strain and the stress. Let's use a limit for the stress. For instance, if we make it 8, click on contour plot shape. The ceramic is a hard material, you can see, and the aluminium is a soft. And this is the result for the impact. Both of the parts are damaged completely. Okay, let me to remove the limit and request, for instance, the damage variable. See the damage variable for the ceramic. We can check it again in the whole view. Click on animate. See the damage propagation. This is a brittle material, the ceramic, and you can see this damage. Okay, this is a whole model with complete definition of the oblique impact on the aluminium rod to the ceramic target, and you can learn all things based on this tutorial about this subject. If you need this tutorial, you can come to our website www.abaqusfm.com, find the English tutorials, click on the title or blue signs. Then you will have an explanation about the geometry and assembly, then the material method and step, interaction, load, and at the end you will have the result as figures. At the end, the file contains CAI in English video file step by step and papers as a reference for the material, and the cost is €24. You can pay for that through a PayPal account, a Visa or a MasterCard. Before that, send me an email to this address. Thank you for attention.